What up, YouTube? Skittle Fabs. So, the other day, my bumper, I guess you should say, cracked right here on both sides because I ended up backing up into a snowbank a little bit, and a little bit of pressure just cracked it. So I was like, I gotta take them off, and I'm inspecting, and for some reason, this one right here is like dented and pulled out, so I'm gonna have to straighten that one out. And then this side, on the passenger side, this one is missing one, so I have to buy another one from Dodge or go to the junkyard and buy another one of those. But yeah, these things suck, guys. So check yours. If your rear bumper is sludging at all, that's probably your main cause right there. Or it popped out of this spot right here. I apologize, it's not the greatest video because I'm giving it to you guys on my iPhone, and I'm not editing it, I'm just uploading it straight to YouTube. So what I did, you guys can tell, like, there's a nice crack right along here, so from here over cracked, and you can see that this should be there too. So what I'm gonna be doing is, I'm not gonna be putting this bumper on tonight. Probably within this week, I'm gonna make some sort of template off of this one to mimic and put it right here. So hopefully I can bring you guys a video on how we do this. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna finagle it. So anyways, let me get into this. What I did is I went out and bought this Bondo set, right? This spreader, this mesh, all in that little packet. I feel like maybe like $5 at Walmart. And then I bought this JB Weld at Walmart plastic bonder. So I combined the kit, but I didn't use the Bondo like dual mix set. I used the JB Weld instead, but I did use some of that. So this is what you're gonna get. So I'm letting that dry for about, I don't know, it says a 15-minute or a 25-minute hardening time, and then an hour cure or something like that. I forget, I read both of them. Sets in 15 minutes, cures in 30 minutes. So, you know, I trust JB Weld. I also use some other stuff from JB Weld. I think it is. No, it's not. It's quick steel. This shit's bomb too. Fucking hardens like steel. Real quick too. Quick steel. But yeah, guys. I'll hopefully bring you guys a video soon. I am. Let me turn this thing around. I am loading up with caliber and neon parts. I'm just literally waiting for it to be nice out, guys, because like I do got this shop, but it's limited time at this shop because I live an hour away, and I don't want to cram up my boy's shop. So I got my neon SRT4 over there, so I really feel like that's enough to be in this shop. And like I said, I don't want to get on this dude's case. Like, he's one of my good friends, and I don't want to agitate him, piss him off. So but again, shout out to that dude. I love that dude, Jason. I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'll bring you guys a video soon, better quality. So until then, guys, stay tuned and watch you sit, Blueberry. Stuff's bomb. Peace, guys.